guys, today we're going to work on letter sound recognition. Did you guys know that letters stand for sounds? And if you know the sound in a letter, you can make words. So first off, we're going to listen to Dr. Jean's Alfardi song. Some of you may have heard it before. So just look up at the projector. All right, let's go back to our seats. We are going to work on some letter sounds together. All right, so does anyone know what this letter is? Right, it's a B. How do we say a B sound? B-E, B. That's right. Listen as I say the B word. B-E, B-E, B. Let's do another letter. What is this letter? Right, it's a T. T. All right, now you guys are going to go back to your seats and you are going to do the first letter sound in your name, and I will do the first letter sound in my name, and then we'll share out. There is already a piece of paper and your pencil out for you, so you will be ready to go. All right, so my name is Mrs. Cones. The first letter sound in my name is K, K. So what would that be? The letter K with a K and an A for the sounds. Mrs. Cones, K-owns, K. All right. So as you're doing yours, you need to make sure that your P's and Q's and D's and P's don't get mixed up. And if they did get mixed up, I would reference back to the letter B and do the B-E sound. And so my interventions for my ELL student, I would get little index cards with pictures on them with letters and letter sounds on them so they could reference all that together and see that, oh, this picture of a cat is the C, and it has a C word. And special ed students, I would use a sand table for them because it's tactile and they could feel it as they do it. And for talented and gifted students, I would have them sound out shorter words and find all the letter sounds within that word.